Amsterdam, the city of canals, is a charming and picturesque destination known for its relaxed atmosphere, rich history and vibrant culture. With over 100 kilometers of canals, Amsterdam is a city best explored by boat, offering a unique perspective of the city's iconic architecture and charming neighborhoods. Amsterdam is also home to world-renowned museums such as the Rijksmuseum and the Van Gogh Museum, as well as famous landmarks such as the Anne Frank House. The city is also known for its independent shops, cozy cafes, and its famous beer culture, where you can visit the Heineken experience and learn about the history of the famous Dutch beer brand. Amsterdam is a city that offers something for everyone, from relaxing in the beautiful Vondelpark, to browsing the Albert Kuip market and experiencing the city's vibrant nightlife. We composed a top 10 of things to do for you while in Amsterdam. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. 1. Visit the Rijksmuseum. This world-renowned museum is home to a vast collection of Dutch art and history. 2. Take a canal tour. Amsterdam's canals are a defining feature of the city, and a boat tour is a great way to see the city from a different perspective. 3. Visit the Van Gogh Museum. This museum is dedicated to the life and work of the famous Dutch artist Vincent van Gogh. 4. Explore the Jordaan neighborhood. This charming neighborhood is known for its narrow streets, picturesque canals, and independent shops and cafes. 5. Visit the Anne Frank House. This museum is dedicated to the Jewish girl who wrote a diary during World War II hiding from the Nazis. 6. Walk through Vondelpark. This large urban park is a great place to relax, have a picnic and enjoy the city's greenery. 7. Visit the Royal Palace of Amsterdam. This grand palace is the official residence of the Dutch royal family and is open to visitors. 8. Visit the Heineken experience. This interactive museum is dedicated to the history of the famous Dutch beer brand and includes a brewery tour and tasting. 9. Visit the Albert Kuip market. This large street market is a great place to find local food and souvenirs. 10. Take a bike tour. Amsterdam is a very bike-friendly city, and a bike tour is a great way to explore the city and see the sights. Thanks for watching us. We are glad to see you watching our other videos.